Yes, the people, what's good? It's the 17th of September 2025. It's my trade recap for the day. So, we've ended up being break even today. By nobody's fault. You know, it was a good trade. Very good setup. Just never played out in my favour. So far this week, we've had a win, a loss, and a break even day. So we're currently up a whopping $67 on the week. Round of applause for me, like, or what? Do you know what I mean? But yeah, this is my thought process for the day. So, starting off on a 4-hour time frame as always to get our bias. We had this 4-hour bullish fair value gap, which I'd marked out. And earlier in the day, what time was that now? 2 o'clock today. We had mitigated this fair value gap, very strong bullish reaction from it. I was like, right, okay. Decent spot to try and trade from. I want to see that at least get filled to an extent. So, bullish bias, waiting for a reversal from my 1-hour draws or London lows. And that's what we got. So, 5-minute time frame. From market open, very, very bearish moves. Straight down, swept this 1-hour low, tapped into a 4-hour bullish fair value, and gave us this bullish SMT as well. As you can see with ES, from market open, we just moved straight up, targeted highs. We actually took out previous Asia session and previous London. So my next liquidity target for the day was previous session New York high. Which that's what I was looking to go with my trade. Yeah, so let me run you through my thought process for this now. So during this massive down move for this sweep of the 1-hour draw and the mitigation of this 4-hour fair value gap, we got this bearish fair value gap, which has waiting to be inversed. Obviously we got that, as you can see. I scaled down into the 1-minute time frame just to get the best entry I could out of it. And I entered off the first candle closure above. Now, obviously I went to go and target New York, previous New York highs, and I went break even at this point here. Now that isn't just a random point where I've gone break even. There is reasoning behind it, and I'll talk you through that now. So on the 5-minute time frame, you can see bearish order block. So bearish order block, and also bearish fair value gap. So my break-even point was around equilibrium with them two, roughly. If that was to get tapped into and not broken through, then my trade wasn't going to work. I didn't want to hold it. Very, very good reasoning for going break even at that point. So yeah, that's how the trade went. It went up, tapped straight into my break even point and started reversing to the downside to, I suppose, to just fill this imbalance more. Almost completely filled it now. My guess is we're going to inverse this gap, and then hopefully tomorrow we can get a bearish bias on the day and come and target this trend line liquidity. Because I don't really like trading above all-time highs. I'd much rather trade in a pre-existing market where price has already been. It just gives me a bit more certainty on my trade. So, fingers crossed we get some decent range, decent price action tomorrow. Yeah, pretty sure that's everything covered for today. I don't think there's anything else to it. Honestly, yeah. So, say we've had Monday was a win, 580. Tuesday we lost the 580, so break even. And today we've gone break even again. I was having me stops a little bit into profit, so we're actually $67 up for the week. But yeah, that's that, man. Now that's another thing as well. It was FOMC today. I wasn't really gonna trade, but I just wanted to see how it played out. To be fair, we've got news at 7. It's in 3 hours. I might take a look at PA afterwards, see if there's any decent range to try and trade from on that. Because data wicks are your best friend. Very, very strong liquidity points. Could try and target something through Asia. But like I'm a New York AM trader. I don't know. We'll see how it goes in it. Like I said, Discord is in the description. Do me live trade updates. Give me daily bias opinions. Got me journaling. Also, it's just a place where you can come and talk as well if you want to. You know, I'm gonna make an open section in there, like a little community chat for all you man to come and join. Feel free to join. You know, just whack the link in your Discord and have a go. But yeah, that's been it for today. Been your daily trader. Have a belter. Bush.